Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining in my masterclass episode. I am Christian Ice, an entrepreneur passionate about helping schools, educators, and learners adapt to the rapid changes in our digital world. Today, we explore how AI is transforming education in ways we once only imagined. From personalized learning to smarter school systems, AI is no longer a distant future concept. It is here, influencing how teachers teach and how students learn every day. Today's episode, we want to understand the artificial intelligence in education, the future of teaching and learning. Allow me to share a story about the computer that understood. It was a hot Friday afternoon. A student sat quietly in a crowded classroom, tapping a pencil nervously. Math quizzes always created pressure. The numbers seemed to blur as soon as they reached the paper. But that day, something surprising happened. The school tablet detected that the students kept getting fraction question wrong. And before the teacher even walked over, the screen suggested, "Would you like help with fractions?" The students started, or the students stared at the tablet and understood the struggle without a single word spoken. Here's the point: AI can help students learn easier and faster. And for the benefit of that, AI sees patterns, even the struggles students don't want to admit. But what AI really is, that moment sparked a question. How did the computer know what help to give? That's what artificial intelligence does. The first is it notices what you need, and also it responds with support. It is like a learning partner quietly watching your progress. AI is a smart assistant in learning, not a replacement for teachers. And for the reason of that, AI can give support that matches your personal learning journey. Now, why schools use AI? What happened to the students is happening in schools everywhere. Governments and educators are asking, how do we use AI to help students learn better and keep them safe as well? AI is here to help teachers understand students faster, improve lesson based on real learning needs, and also connect teachers, students, and technology as well. And the point of this is schools must guide AI wisely. And for the reason, because AI will shape how future generations learn. Now, I'm going to discuss about the two sides of AI. The same week, the AI also marked a creative answer wrong. Even though the reasoning was correct, it reminded the students of the truth that computers can help, but they don't understand everything. And I'm going to discuss to you the positive and the challenges of using AI. The positive is it provides personalized support. It provides faster feedback as well and more creativity tools. And the challenging part would be it is bias or unfair decisions, privacy concerns, and over dependence on machine. These are the risky part of AI. Now, I want to take this point that AI, you can use AI, but we can use it carefully. And for the benefit of that, humans must make the final decision after all. Now, I'm going to ask this question that how AI helps in class. Think of AI as a silent helper working with teachers. You know what? AI can collect your answers, it understands your learning pattern, it helps teachers help you better. And the point of this is AI should make teaching stronger and the students still need human guidance after all. And also, students need encouragement as well. Now, let us break down what we've discussed today. So, let us imagine playing a video game. Each time you make a move, the game learns your skills. It gives harder challenges when you're ready, it gives hints when you struggle, and that's what AI does. It learns with you. But AI helps you level up, but you play the game as well. And the reason of that, humans must make the final decisions. Now, how AI helps in class. To understand AI better, picture a balance scale. Now, we have these two sides. The left side would be uh, the helping tool using AI, and the risky one would be the right side. In the left side, it is faster learning. Again, it provides personalized feedback, more fun, and creativity. And the risks would be wrong or unclear decision, data and privacy issues, and too much reliance on computers, just like we discussed before. Now, let us imagine that, let us understand that AI is powerful, but we must guide it with wisdom. Technology can support the journey, but humans lead the way. And that concludes our session for today about the AI and the future of teaching and learning. Okay, so now we will proceed to the next episode. But for now, please leave a comment when you have a question about this episode, and uh, you can ponder what how can we improve our skills as a teacher using this particular tool. Okay, and for the learners, how AI can help you learn better, and what are the positive and the risky side of using it from your own experience. Okay, so this is all for now. See you in our next episode.